The blast at 6:08 p.m. local time on Tuesday was so powerful it was felt in Cyprus, 120 miles away. It left cars with blown-out windows, strewn on highways and city in shock. Footage posted on social media showed whole neighborhoods in ruin. There are so many people missing. People are asking the emergency department about their loved ones, and it is difficult to search at night because there is no electricity. We all know that ammonium nitrate is an important fertilizer, but also a key component in improvised explosives around the world. The Oklahoma bombing in 1995 involved 3 to 4 tons of the material, and it has been alleged that as much as 26 tons have been involved in Beirut's case. Following the Oklahoma bombing, federal restrictions in the U.S. were introduced. All we can do is to pray for Beirut, Lebanon, for this massive explosion, a mystery blast like a nuclear bomb. And some people saying that it is a catastrophe inside. There are corpses on the ground. Ambulances are still lifting the dead.
20 minutes
at the port
walk.
Was
Everything is broken.
The Beirut explosion at Lebanon have 78 dead and 4,000 wounded.
Honestly, we were just sifting through the rumors, hearing all the rumors, and trying to understand what happened, because there was lots of confusion, lots of rage that this could happen. With everything that's happening in the country, then the cherry on top, there comes massive negligence, or we don't know what it is, or an act of terror. We really don't understand, but it's just... and on top of all that, you have to worry about wearing your face mask because you don't want to get coronavirus in the hospital for treating a small wound. So I think outrage would be the correct word to express what I'm feeling right now, 3 hours after what happened.
عندنا بالقليلة شي 300 هلا بالمستشفى، عندنا تقريبا 6 غرف عمليات عم تشتغل شغالة، وجاية يعني بنخلص بيجي فوج اللي بعده، وفي عندنا بالعناية الفائقة شي 4-5 فاتوا وضعهم صعب، في 3 وصلوا متوفيين حاليا. هذا هو الوضع. الطاقم الطبي كله موجود، كل الممرضين والممرضات، كل الأطباء، كل حتى الإداريين، كله جاي، كله عم يشتغل. ما فيها. صار في اضرار ماديه كمان كثيره. وقعوا الصوفيه مثل ما هلا بتشوفوا هون على المدخل، كسر ازاز بغرف المرضى.